Now, today I will discuss about the chapter of classification of elements. This is the new chapter. Then it will be studied after the cover of atomic structure. Now, what is meant by classification of element? When element so discovered, firstly the scientist can classify the element into different category. That is known as classification of element. The definition will the method of arranging similar elements in one place and separating them from dissimilar element. Suppose lithium, sodium, potassium. Suppose lithium, sodium, potassium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Now the property of lithium, sodium, potassium becomes similar with each other, and property for beryllium, magnesium, calcium also similar with each other. But the property of lithium, sodium, potassium must be different than that of beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Now the splitting of those elements from those elements is known as classification of elements. The method of arranging similar elements in one place and separating them from dissimilar element is known as classification of element. Generally, this classification of element will first occur by scientist Dauvergne, that is known as Dauvergne triads बोली कही था आमे कहीं ना साइंटिस्ट डोवर्नियर तीनटा एलिमेंट को लेकिन से एलिमेंट मान को प्रथमे क्लासिफाई करथिले. But there will be some difficulty will arises that will be modified by scientist Newland, that is said to be Newland octave, that is हार्मोनियम रो म्यूजिक अनुजाई सातटी के एलिमेंट करिकि से सजेले जोटा कि किछि भी हमको मेरिट आसला बेले बहुत गुड़ा डिमेरिट मध्य हमको रहिला. Then that will be modified by scientist Lothar Meyer. They should represented the classification of element by graphically, but actually it should not be practically possible. So the scientist Mendeleev suggested about the classification of element. Scientist Mendeleev, this is the first modification of the classification of element occurred by scientist Mendeleev, that is known as Mendeleev periodic table or Mendeleev classification of element. Mendeleev periodic table. Now this periodic table will based upon a particular rule that is known as its statement, that is called its statement. That means the element are arranged in their increasing order of atomic mass. जो एलिमेंट माने अच्छी ग्रेजुअली प्रथमे 64 एलिमेंट थिला, then it will increase from 75, then it will increase from 92, gradually till day the element so reaches 118 elements. Such element can be firstly arranged by scientist Mendeleev is known as Mendeleev periodic table. But the basic fundamental property should taken, that is atomic mass. So he proposed a statement that is called Mendeleev periodic law. That means it states the physical and chemical properties of the elements and their compounds are periodic function of their atomic mass. This is the basic thing for Mendeleev periodic law. That means the element are arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass. Then that periodic table will containing following points. That is known as explanation. Now first point, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass. This is the first or important point. That means the elements so arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass. Second point, it contain 9 vertical columns called groups or families. It containing 9 vertical column, top to bottom containing 9 vertical column, that is called groups or families. Then it contain 7 horizontal rows called periods or series. It containing 7 horizontal rows, 7टा धाड़ी अच्छी जो मान को आमे कहि परिबा पीरियड बा कहि परिबा सीरीज। 9टा उपरु तळ स्तंभ अच्छी जो मान को आमे परिचय दे परिबा ग्रुप्स और फैमिलीज। देन each group is divided into two subgroup, that is A and B. देखिबो पिले मेंडेलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल काढिबो प्रत्येक घर divided है दीटा सब ग्रुप रे, one side placed A, another side placed B in the same group. Two series of elements that is lanthanide and actinide are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. पीरियोडिक टेबल ले तल भागरे दुईटा सीरीज ऑफ एलिमेंट अच्छी जो मन को आम स्टडी करूँ lanthanide and actinide. This is the basic thing of the Mendeleev periodic table. Firstly suggest the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass. That means जो एलिमेंट माने Mendeleev periodic table अच्छंती से माने increasing order of atomic mass रे arrangement अच्छंती. Atomic mass अनुजाई जितने आमे arrangement कले it containing 9 vertical columns, उपरु तल top to bottom containing 9 vertical columns called groups or families. Then it containing from left to right 7 horizontal rows called periods or series. Then आउ कौन अच्छी ना each group is divided into two subgroup, that is A and B, and two series of element called lanthanide and actinide which are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. This is the explanation of a Mendeleev periodic table. Now what are the advantages of Mendeleev periodic table? बर्तमान आम देखा Mendeleev periodic table कौन आमको एडभांटेज हेडिंग दबा एडभांटेज ऑफ Mendeleev periodic table. Advantages. First advantage will prediction of a new element. Prediction of a new element. When Mendeleev construct periodic table, then he must some vacant place will be placed in the periodic table. When a new element is later discovered, then the property of a new element must be similar with the vacant place present in the periodic table, which element lies above and below. The property must be similar with new element. Then that new element must placed at that vacant place in the periodic table. तेणु मेंडेलीव कौन करथिले तांको पीरियडिक टेबल ले किछि वैकेंट शून्य स्थान रखिथिले फांका जगह जेतेबेले न्यू एलिमेंट डिस्कवर हला सेतेबेले से न्यू एलिमेंट रो प्रॉपर्टी वैकेंट प्लेस रे जो ऊपर एलिमेंट बा तळ एलिमेंट अछि तांकर प्रॉपर्टी सहित न्यू एलिमेंट रो प्रॉपर्टी आइडेंटिकल अछि कि नाही कि सिमिलरिटी अछि कि नाही. इफ सम प्रॉपर्टी विल इज सिमिलर, then such new element must place at that vacant place. This is the one helpful. Second one is correction of atomic mass. Correction of atomic mass. Now the atomic mass for beryllium will 13.5. but atomic mass for carbon is 12 mm. Now this mass so fastly discovered. Now it will shows the atomic mass for beryllium must be greater than that of carbon. Therefore beryllium must lies after carbon in the periodic table. But you observe in the periodic table actually beryllium must placed before carbon. Why? But the atomic mass must be greater than that of carbon. जदि एटॉमिक मास अनुसार सजा होती ताले बेरिलियम रो मास होची 13.5 किंतु से अच्छी कार्बन पूर्व कारण कौन तो इट विल ऑब्जर्व दैट एटॉमिक मास मस्ट बी ए रॉन्ग एटॉमिक मास. ताले व्हाट इज द करेक्ट एटॉमिक मास फॉर बेरिलियम? Now we have to calculate the atomic mass for beryllium which must be less than that of a carbon. So you confirm beryllium lies before carbon. Now the equivalent mass. Now the equivalent mass. Equivalent mass for beryllium will 4.5. but valency equal to 2. You know one formula, atomic mass equal to atomic mass equal to equivalent mass into valency. Equivalent mass कहते हैं हमको 4.5. Now valency only 2, which is nothing but equal to 9 m. Now this atomic mass calculated atomic mass must be less than that of the atomic mass for carbon. So this is the correct atomic mass for beryllium, and it beryllium element must lies in the periodic table before carbon. This is the one advantage of Mendeleev periodic table. If the atomic mass of some element will be wrong, then you have to correct it by using this formula, that is atomic mass equal to equivalent mass into valency. If you know the equivalent mass and valency. Then third one is atomic structure. Atomic structure. This is the one important thing. Atomic structure. आम एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर इंपोर्टेंट कंक्लूजन थिंग पाइथिले जे लास्ट वन इज द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. ऑल द एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट इन ए पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप मस्ट कंटेनिंग सेम इलेक्ट्रॉन इन देयर आउटरमोस्ट सेल और आउटरमोस्ट ऑर्बिट. सो इट मस्ट कंटेन जनरल आउटरमोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. सपोज यू consider the element group Ia, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, now cesium. Now lithium configuration is 1s2 2s1. Similarly sodium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. Potassium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s1. Now all element in a particular group must containing same number of electrons in their outermost orbit or outermost subshell. So you can consider the general electronic configuration for group Ia element will ns1. N value may be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. But it must containing S1 configuration for group Ia element. Similarly, you can observe in case of a group 2Ia element, the general configuration will NS2. That means the elements so present containing 2 electrons in their outermost orbit, having the outermost subshell configuration will S2, that may be 2s2, 3s2, 4s2, 5s2, etc. Now it can help to know the outermost configuration for a particular group of elements. Now those three things are the advantages of Mendeleev periodic table. But after advantages occur, then scientists mostly give some question to Mendeleev. But that question should not solved by the scientist Mendeleev. Therefore, those are known as disadvantages or drawback or limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. ये तीन आम तार पढ़ले उपकार. वन है कौन आमको ना प्रेडिक्शन ऑफ न्यू एलिमेंट. सेकेंड वन इज करेक्शन ऑफ एटॉमिक मास. थर्ड वन इज एटॉमिक structure. What are the limitation? Limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. Limitation कौन? First one होची anomalous position. Anomalous position means different position. Different position means जी जो जगार रहिबा कथा नुहे से जगार भूल बसत रही जाइछि. मोस्टली तांको प्रश्न कले ठीक अच्छी एलिमेंट माने तो एटॉमिक मास अनुसार सजा होइछंती. तुम मन निजे पढ़िला बेले लॉन्ग फॉर्म पीरियोडिक टेबल टिके काढिबो. सेमानक तळे एटॉमिक मास लेखा अछि ताक टिके देखिबो जो जो जगह गुडी को मु कहूछि. Firstly, observe in case of argon and potassium. Second one is cobalt, nickel. Third one is tellurium, iodine. Now observe firstly those three position of elements. But actually it observe the atomic mass of argon becomes somewhat large than that of potassium. Why argon should not placed after potassium? बर्तमान आम कह आर्गन मासटा बेसी एक्चुअली पोटासियम टू फ्रैक्शन 10 मिनट पर तेणु व्हाई आर्गन शुड नॉट प्लेस्ड ओवर पोटासियम. ठीक अच्छे एनी वन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम राइज. सिमिलर केस ऑब्जर्विंग केस ऑफ कोबाल्ट निकेल. पीरियड टेबल देखिबो निजे पीरियड टेबल खोलिबो एक्चुअली मासटा को देखिबो लॉन्ग फॉर्म पीरियड टेबल अछि एलिमेंट तळे लेखा अछि. एक्चुअली एटॉमिक मास फॉर कोबाल्ट इज ग्रेटर देन दैट ऑफ निकेल. Why cobalt should not placed over nickel? कहीं नहीं cobalt पर. Second one is tellurium iodine. Similarly, atomic mass for tellurium is larger than that of iodine. Why tellurium should not placed after iodine? This is the one drawback of Mendeleev periodic table. Then second one is position of triads. Position of triads. छुआ देखिबो V ट्रिपल आई घरे तीन टा एलिमेंट अछि आयरन कोबाल्ट निकेल एई भली एवं वन इज गिवन एज A another is given as B but cobalt should not be given as any one position. Why three elements should placed in a particular group in the periodic table? But iron, cobalt, nickel have different properties and different atomic mass. Then why it should placed in one group in the periodic table? Triad means three element placed at a particular position is known as a triads. तेणु ये जो तीन टिकिया एलिमेंट अच्छी V ट्रिपल आई घरे कहीं रखा है. व्हाट इज इट्स कज आम तो एटॉमिक मास अनुजाई सजाइचे तेणु एटॉमिक मास अनुजाई रहा कथा तीन टा घर हो तीन टा ग्रुप हो कहीं गोटे घरे तीन टा एलिमेंट को प्लेसमेंट दिखाई. दिस इज द वन ड्रॉबैक ऑफ मेंडेलीव पीरियडिक टेबल. देन थर्ड वन इज डिसिमिलर एलिमेंट्स placed together. That means you must remember the element so present in group Ia are known as alkali metal, but in that group Ib that are known as coinase metal. But alkali metal, that is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, those are known as alkali metal because such metal reacts with water to form strong alkali like NaOH, KOH, LiOH, etc. But in this group the elements so present B, that is copper, gold, silver, these are called coinase metal. Kind copper, silver, gold you can prepare coin, so these are known as coinase metal. Alkali metal and coinase metal have large difference in their properties. बहुत गुण से difference. Why it should placed in one group in the periodic table? Those are alkali metal when it reacts with water to form strong alkali, but those are known as coinase metal that you can made up of coin. Why it should placed in one group in the periodic table? This is the one drawback. Then fourth one is position of isotope. Position of isotopes. Now isotopes can have different masses, so it must be occupied at a different position in the periodic table. Suppose you can consider carbon. Carbon can have 4 isotopes: 611, 612, 613, 614. Similarly, hydrogen can have 3 isotopes: protium, deuterium, tritium. Now they can have different mass, So it must be occupied at a different position in the periodic table. Now shows hydrogen must be placed at 3 position in the periodic table, but actually hydrogen should not present in 3 position, it placed in 1 position. Carbon must occupy at 4 position. Practically it is not present in 4 position, it is present in 1 position. Why? And if the element like carbon, hydrogen present, which atomic mass so consider? There will be different mass, 11, 12, 13, 14, which mass should be considered and why? This is the one drawback. Then position of hydrogen. Position of hydrogen. Now hydrogen is one of the non-metal, but it should present in group Ia. First element in group Ia is hydrogen. But the element except hydrogen present in group Ia are metal. Why hydrogen should placed in group Ia but it is a non-metal? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, those are solid form. Hydrogen is present in gaseous form. Why it should be placed in group Ia? But actually it should be placed in group VIIa. VIIa. That is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. Because fluorine can exist as F2, chlorine can exist as Cl2, hydrogen can exist as H2. So it must be placed in group VIIa. Why it should place in group Ia? There is one drawback or limitation. Then sixth one is position of lanthanide and actinide. Position of lanthanide and actinide. Now lanthanide and actinide each will contain 14 elements. Why the two series of elements will be placed at the separate position or bottom of the periodic table? Why? What is its cause? The placement of lanthanide and actinide present at the bottom of the periodic table. This is the another drawback. So, 6 drawback ame. One is anomalous position, second one is position of triads, third one is dissimilar element placed together, fourth one is position of isotope, fifth one is position of hydrogen, sixth one is position of lanthanide and actinide. Next time आमे देखिबा जे कि लंग फॉर्म पीरियडिक टेबल जो ड्रॉबैक गुड़िक आसी से ड्रॉबैक गुड़िक आमको समाधान होती लंग फॉर्म पीरियडिक टेबल बा मॉडर्न पीरियडिक टेबल। नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कसन करिबा। आज पई एतिकी। थैंक यू।